at the Hibachi Waffle last night. My buddy Kevin tossed this in my car. My buddy Dana got with him, got Kevin to make it. I think Kevin said it's UV something. It's not a sticker and it's not laser engraved. I don't want to say the wrong thing, but Kevin did an awesome job. He also gave me a bunch of stickers, so I'm going to fill it up with water. Got the cars here at the Hibachi Waffle. And now let's go inside and get some food. So today, right now we're having breakfast. We're gonna go to LS Fest. We'll get set up with Logan Geek in the Weld Wheel booth. And then from there, we'll just leave our cars there and we'll just get to walk around. There's gonna be drag racing, drifting, walking to all the vendors, getting a bunch of free, stuff that everybody gives away. Meeting up with our buddies that they finally made it in late last night. So we'll meet up with them. I gotta give all of them their shirts. We'll probably leave LS Fest for lunch and go eat somewhere on the main strip. And then we'll go back to LS Fest and just hang out till probably like 6 or 7. The gates open at 7, they close at 7 tonight. And then after that, we'll probably go back to the hotel for a little bit, maybe depending on, how we're feeling, maybe take a nap or something like that. And then we will go to Buc-ee's tonight. There'll probably be a couple hundred people there. So I think it's like a 10-mile drive from our hotel to the Buc-ee's maybe. So go to the Buc-ee's and hang out and then head back to the hotel and do it all again tomorrow.
What happened, buddy?
Well, it ain't so much as what happened. It's what we're preventing from happening.
See, what had happened was...
It's Matt's turn. Here, you worked on mine. You want me to take that off for you, bud?
No.
No, you can't even stand that shit. It's got bacon grease all over it.
I got coolant on me.
We going fishing. Yeah, that is hot. Yeah, that's hot. Hold on. Oh my goodness, that's hot. Let me just do. Hey.
Oh, Goosey. Oh, dude, your intake is kind of covered in coolant. Remember how I told you to shove a rag down that?
Yeah, that's why I got brake cleaner.
Here,
Imagine that. Imagine
Put her
a
down.
helping hand.
I'll give you something to flip help. Do it at the same time, nice and smooth and even. It'll beat you to it.
He's washing the coolant off his hands.
So does swapping a thermostat, it just makes me feel like an engine builder. Like
Hell
I
yeah.
built this thing
Yeah,
basically.
built it.
I basically built this
Certified.
motor.
My buddy Logan with the Weld Wheels. This is the guy who's going to spec your wheels if you call in, help you with anything, whether it's custom fitment or if it's straight off the shelf. We had a task to do for my 65 GTO, and so I'm just going to turn it over to him and let him give you the rundown of what exactly we had to do to make this work. So for this setup here, we did a 17x5 on the front. And Parker got a little crazy. We did a 15/8 bead lock on the rear, which don't call me for it. We don't sell it. Parker made this set happen himself, but it came out. You made it happen. So we had to send it off to another company to get some stuff done. Like you said, we had to kind of jump through some hoops, but it is a Weld bead lock. It is a Weld lip, so it is Weld everything. Turned out great. And would you say that this is the only set? Is this the first Laguna set of beadlocks? They come on other cars, like other
In this spec,
in
for
this
this
spec.
car, yes.
The only. You heard it here. One of one. No, it was a great time getting it all taken care of, and very appreciative of them letting us, as well as Matt, have his car in the booth as well. Run down quickly on Matt's setup too.
Yep. So Matt's setup, we did an 18x5 on the front and a 15x9 bead lock. First gen cars, we do a ton of them, so we got the fitment down on those cars, and it came out perfect.
Call him definitely for all of these.
Yeah.
He'll sell you these all day long.
Oh yeah.
Love a first gen Camaro. So we'll get some video of all the wheels that y'all offer. Also, what all do you offer? So we know Weld is more than just Weld.
So we do Weld, we are Forge Star, CCW, ADV1. So tons of different options for every car you could ever imagine.
Import and domestic,
Everything.
new and old.
Yeah, from GTO to Bugatti, we got you covered.
Oh man, yeah. Who's gonna be the first one? Well, I know a couple people who have Bugattis, so I'll send them your way. Logan, appreciate it very much. Next year we hope to see them maybe at the barbecue. Have them guys come down because he has some pretty cool cars of his own. Yeah.
Get it on.
We'll make it happen. So last night when we were at the Corvette Museum, we were checking out Justin Burke's Joe Diffie truck, man, and he has some red BTR valve covers on there. I said, man, I need a set of those. And he was like, man, come see me tomorrow. I'm gonna be in the BTR booth. I said, all right. We didn't even make it to the BTR booth. We were backing in the Weld booth here, and he walks over with these brand new valve covers, red. I can't even wait to get home now so I can put these on. Big shout out to Justin Burke, HB2.
But also the Grand Canyon Challenge.
Don't touch the sticky part.
I'm trying not to. This year 13.
I'm a certified professional. Okay, folks, this ain't nothing to play around with.
You want to do it? We're gonna try to be on that side, maybe on this side, and we'll go down together. Or
The Street King class.
We're gonna take
it's hard
measure.
for you to get all the way over there.
You care if I get up there?
Get us ready for
They got a raw tape
Warrior as well as
really
Just climb up
my
there.
third
Here, I'll hold it
officer,
while you get up there.
Tested tune if you're not the lady.
Yeah,
Grudge tested tune.
Go ahead.
I will take you from tested tune. I will take you.
But how are you gonna see the center?
I can see the center because of the hood.
Oh, yeah,
Warrior.
taking a picture.
Regular driver at market. 2023 model Camaro.
We're at Dole Dogs. We come here every year pretty much, at least once. We left the track for a little bit. It was a little hot. We wanted to get food off-site. It's kind of our thing. We love to eat out of town and not just like vendor food. So I think everybody's getting some wings and burgers, and then we're going to go back to the hotel for maybe 30 minutes and chill, and then back to the track. And we'll leave about 6, so another couple hours of watching some racing, drifting, all that stuff.
Performance is a little bit. 10:30 to advance 64. Michael Showing in the
Alright, getting out of here right now. It's basically 7 o'clock. Racing's kind of finished anyway, but they were getting ready to start the stick shift class. They had a little bit of drifting going on, and it started raining, so we're headed back to the hotel now, and then I guess we're going to go find some food. I think we're going to go to Montana Grill, get a nice steak, maybe. We'll see how long the wait is. Normally it's a pretty decent amount of wait time.
Your little finger bang.
I can't see you, Parker. Alright, well, we were gonna go to Boosie's. I wanted some beaver nuggets, but it's sprinkling right now, so we were getting ready. Had to come back, put some more E85 in my car. I had some extra jugs in the truck, and as we got back, it started sprinkling, and we could see it was lightening in the distance. So Matt checked the weather, and in like the next 15 minutes, it's supposed to be like 81%. So it's like a 25-minute drive to the Buc-ee's on the interstate. So we didn't want to make that trek having radials on our cars, so we opted to just come back to the hotel. And down here at the convention center, sometimes there's some cars that set up. Normally they get run off, but it's all good. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit and then go back to the hotel. Catch you later.